Welcome, guys. Yeah, so let's solve these 1551 minimum operation to make a array equal. Yeah, so this problem is actually not coding, I guess it's just some mathematics. Okay, so let's see. You have array I and array n with array I equals to 2i plus 1 for I, which I from 0 to n. And you have to, each time you can select two indices and you subtract one from that and add one to that. So basically, you minus one and add one for two, and the problem is that you need to make all the array to be equal. Okay, I should say all the element in the array to be equal, and yeah. So the n equals to 3 is 2. The reason is that you choose 5, right, and the 5 minus 2 and 1 plus 2 it becomes 3, 3, 3. Okay, I mean, so you need to. Okay, so this problem from your I don't know, maybe from your understanding, then you should guess the answer should be what? Should be the median. Okay, so let's maybe do a little bit check. Yeah, so for example, if n is 1, the answer will be 0, right? If n is 2, you get 1, 2, right? So sorry, you 1, 3, and you should get 2, right? You should make it 2, 2. So the steps, right? You only care about steps which 1 to 2, right? So it's 1. So n equals to 3, you get 1, 3, 5. Answer is 2, right? So you see that the key is that you just need to find the median. Okay, so if this is the median, then if you know the median, then it's just a mathematical question, right? Because your array will be 1, 3, 5, to 2n minus 1. Okay. So let's consider two cases, right? Because let's say if n is even. So for example, 1, 3, 5, 7, right? And your median is 4. So your median will not appear in this array, right? So in this case, your median will be let's say will be 1 plus 2n minus 1 divided by 2, right? So will be n. Okay, and the total number of what you can get from n is start from n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 5, right, up to 1, right? Because your array will not is the closest 1, right? So this is the arithmetic progressions. Okay, so the arithmetic progression just start from the I mean these sums you should know how to compute, right? So it's the first term added the final term, and the times the number of terms, right? So I think the number of terms is n minus 1 term. Let's see. Sorry. So so you need to count how many terms, right? So should be n minus 2 divided by 2 and add 1, right? Okay. And then divided by 2. So this is the summation formula, right? So it will be n times n divided by 2 and 1 over 2. So it's n squared divided by 4. Okay. So if n is even, which is the answer is n squared divided by 4. Okay. So how about let's see. How about n equals to odd, right? So if n equals to odd, then your let's say 1, 3, 5, right? So in this case, n is 3. So in this case, you will get you will start from here, right? So you start from let's say you still get the n minus 1, right? N minus 1, n minus 3, right? But your final difference will be the same, right? So you should be 2, okay? Because n is odd, right? So you do the same thing, which is n minus 1 plus 2 and n minus 3 divided by 2 plus 1. This is the number of terms and times 1 over half. Okay, so you get n minus 1 half, n plus 1 half. So it's n squared minus 1 divided by 4. Okay, So results, this function results will be if n is odd, put this term n squared minus 1 divided by 4. If n is even, n squared divided by 4. Okay, so once you do this, then all you need to do is just code it up. So if n mod 2 is 1, which is odd, you just n squared minus 1 divided by 4. If it's even, just n squared divided by 4. And the proof is just using an arithmetic progression summation. So it should be maybe elementary school. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so see you guys next videos.